In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a credit card to an Amazon account. To begin, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Once the website loads, sign in to your Amazon account. Make sure you are using the correct account before you continue, especially if more than one person uses the same device. This helps ensure that the card is added to the right profile and will be available during checkout when you need it. After you are signed in, move to the top right corner of the Amazon homepage. There you will see the Accounts and Lists menu. Hover your mouse over that option to open the drop-down menu. In the list that appears, click Your Payments. Depending on what version of the site you are seeing, you may also see a section called Payment Options. Both areas are related to the payment methods saved to your account. Once you are on the Payments page, look for the option to add a new payment method. Click Add a Payment Method, then choose Credit or Debit Card. This will open the form where you can enter your card information. Now carefully type in the card details exactly as they appear on the card. Enter the card number first, then enter the name printed on the card. After that, select the expiration date. You will also need to confirm or enter the billing address connected to that card. The billing address should match the address your card issuer has on file. This is important because it can help avoid verification issues when you try to use the card later. Before submitting, take a moment to review everything you entered. Make sure the card number is correct, the name is spelled properly, the expiration date is accurate, and the billing address is up to date. Even a small error can prevent the card from being saved successfully. When everything looks correct, click Add Your Card. Amazon will then save the card to your account. After that, it will be ready for use the next time you check out, and in many cases, you can also select it as a preferred payment method if needed. If you are adding a card on a shared or public computer, it is a good idea to sign out after you finish for added privacy and security. That covers everything you need to know.